Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a pair of cables that could truly elevate your audio setup. The Molan 3ft Premium Short XLR to XLR cables. These aren't just any mic cords. They're designed with precision for those who demand clarity and reliability in their sound. Right out of the box, one receives two 3-foot male-to-female XLR cables, which is incredibly convenient for studio setups, live gigs, or even just tidying up a home recording space where longer runs aren't necessary. The shorter length helps keep the signal path clean and manageable, reducing clutter and potential trip hazards. What truly sets these Molan cables apart is their commitment to sound quality. They are constructed with oxygen-free copper, or OFC, conductors. This is a crucial detail because OFC minimizes signal loss and ensures that audio travels with pristine clarity, free from unwanted noise. The balanced design further enhances this, actively working to reject electromagnetic interference, which can be a real headache in any audio environment. The sound experience is further bolstered by the new aluminum foil shield and thick copper wire. These elements work in tandem to provide an even better sound quality experience, ensuring that every nuance of a vocal or instrument is captured and transmitted faithfully. One can expect a noticeable difference in the crispness and depth of their audio, making performances sound more professional and recordings more accurate. Beyond the internal wizardry, the physical construction is also top-notch. Each cable features a robust 6mm PVC jacket. This isn't just for show. It provides excellent durability and flexibility, protecting the internal components from wear and tear, kinks, and general abuse that cables often endure. It's also designed to be heat-resistant, adding another layer of longevity, ensuring these cables will stand up to demanding use. Compatibility is broad, making these cables incredibly versatile. Whether connecting a microphone to an amplifier, an instrument to a speaker, or integrating them into a more complex music player or DVD player setup, these Molan XLRs are up to the task. They promise high-speed signal transmission, which is essential for maintaining audio integrity across various devices, from musical instruments to professional audio equipment. In essence, the Molan 3ft Premium Short XLR cables are a fantastic choice for anyone looking to upgrade their audio connections. They offer enhanced sound clarity, robust construction, and reliable performance, all in a convenient 2-pack. For their length and features, they represent a smart investment for clear, interference-free audio, providing peace of mind that one's sound will always be at its best.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.